Hey guys, so sorry about that. This is just a quick video for you guys. Just so you know, I do not have my tripod with me, so I'm holding my phone with my hand. So camera footage might be a little shaky in this one. Sorry about that. Things might be a little unfocused, but we are heading to the junkyard right now. We're gonna go hunting for random stuff. I need some wire connectors, and we're honestly just gonna see what we can find in the junkyard today. And then afterwards, it is Josh's birthday today. He's probably going to wake up and head down at some point, and we're gonna take him out for his birthday. I don't know what we're gonna do, to be honest, but this is just a really quick vlog for you guys before we get started though. This is probably going to be posted tomorrow for Thanksgiving, so happy Thanksgiving. There are some awesome Black Friday deals going down. If you guys are new to the channel, and then you probably do not know that we are sponsored by MaXpeedingrods. Let me show y'all. This is a MaXpeedingrods turbo right here. This is a GT3582, and then down here we actually have a smaller turbo. This is a GT2871, I believe, if I remember that correctly. We've got MaXpeedingrods turbos. We've got MaXpeedingrods rods inside of our actual short block. And we're also running the MaXpeedingrods oil supply kit for their turbos. So this kit involves everything you need to basically feed oil from your block to your turbo and then back into your oil pan. It comes with all of the appropriate AN fittings that you're going to need. It even comes with a brass T with a stainless steel fitting. And even if you're not boosted or building engines, you guys already know MaXpeedingrods makes a ton of coilovers for most makes and models. And a lot of these things are already at very affordable prices. Right now, you can grab a GT3582 turbo for around $100, less than 150 bucks. And that brings me to my further point. Open up the description of the video when you guys get a chance and click on that first link. MaXpeedingrods is running a Black Friday campaign. They're essentially slashing prices on a ton of their best-selling products. There's a ton of turbos, a ton of coilover kits, a ton of stuff on the MaXpeedingrods website right now for very, very cheap. So if you guys want to pick up anything, now is the time to do it for MaXpeedingrods. Right now, prices are cut. Discount code SAVE the EFs is going to cut them even further. So you guys should definitely jump on that. Hit that first link in my video if you're interested in any of the things that you see me messing around with. I've got a whole engine built off of MaXpeedingrods stuff, essentially. Anyways, if you're excited for a junkyard vid, please give this video a thumbs up. Wish Josh a happy birthday in the comments for me. That would be cool. Have a happy Thanksgiving. Have a very safe Black Friday. Don't do anything crazy out there if y'all are going out shopping. And until then, I don't know, enjoy the junkyard vlog. Enjoy the junkyard vlog. If I don't make an outro, definitely like and subscribe because we got some big progress coming for Casera. Let's get to the junkyard. See y'all.
Bro, look what these people did to this Integra, bro.
Check for the ECU, Drew.
No, I've already checked.
Oh, you've been here already?
Yeah. No need. No, I got cash.
Oh, those are actually pretty cool. Hey, you guys. We're out here at the junkyard. No reason to be out here, honestly, just kind of hunting for stuff. I am, however, looking for an EJ, OBD1 EG, something like that. I need to get a couple of electrical connectors, but for the most part, just see what we can find. Ooh, wow, look at this. Damn. Is this another Y8 head? This is another Y8 head. Wow, that's so cool. There are 2 Y8 heads inside of this yard so far. This is a CRV. B20. Auto trans. I don't see anything. Oh, wait. Yeah, no. I think it's 2-wheel drive. I'm pretty sure it's 2-wheel drive. Wow. Another one, P3F. Not what we need. We're finding ECUs like crazy today, but nothing that we need. No CRV table either. How are you guys enjoying this time change? Like, it's cool. The aesthetic is definitely cooler, and it's a lot cooler. It was so hot this summer, but it's a little annoying because I'm trying to build a car now, and I'm actually like pushing, motivated to do it, you know? Wasted so much time, and now there's no more time. But at least we can get started earlier in the day. We can come out here and it's cool. We're not sweating balls over here passing out. We can't find any freaking Hondas though. I don't know what's going on with this yard. We got like weird ass crap like this Chevy van inside of the imports. It used to be organized. Got some cool tail lights on the Accord. Huh. So far, nothing. Nothing at all. Oh, I see a techie over there. Auto B18. Looks like the original engine. ECU's already gone. It was probably OBD1. This car had 999,914 miles. So that's actually really insane. Probably the highest mileage Teggy we've ever seen. It had so much mileage that the paint just... Truck had double wishbone suspension. That's pretty cool, huh? Is this an LS? I feel like this is an LS. The single cam non-VTEC minivan. Let's see if there's anything we can get from here. See an OBD2 ECU. It's auto. Did you guys see the video when we saw the CP3? This is how she's looking now. Pretty much the same. Someone took the hatch. Yeah, there ain't nothing here, you guys. Ain't nothing at all. There's a Saturn. There's a Saturn. Damn, who took the quarter panel? What? Oh, so the quarter panel unbolts from the Saturn? No, it doesn't. This is plastic. Weird car.
Oh, with your little intercooler and everything.
Yeah, dude. Oh,
This is a turbo kit. This is heat shrink. Oh no, this is hose. This isn't even a good turbo kit.
Yeah, it's a shitty ass eBay turbo kit.
Bro, it's chrome. Maybe not chrome. No.
Oh, this shit's fucking deteriorated. You probably only had
What
this
car
for
did
like
this come from?
2 years. I think this Sonoma.
What?
Cause
Oh dude, here's one that you actually do not see very often. This is the C series. Is this the same engine that's in the Legend? I don't think this is the same engine, but it is definitely a C series. I wonder if Raul could use that distributor or whatever. Shit. But yeah, you don't see that very often. And I'm pretty sure this is an Accord. Yep, it's a 96 Accord. Okay, so yeah, this is way newer than the Legend. This is like 10 years newer than the Legend. So you'll probably know, but it's cool. That's not a J series. Here's the EG that we visited last time. This is the one that was already missing the ECU. I should have taken the connectors I needed. I don't know why I didn't. But here we are. Let's do it.
they were homeless from like a movie with like the stick and the satchel. Right there, there's a Civic hiding. Come to the right.
That's an EK.
Is it?
Yes.
Okay.
That's an EK.
But there's also an EG. So easy.
So this is an Eclipse, guys.
Guess what?
What? Someone already took the injectors?
Yeah.
God damn it.
Because look, I guess it is.
No, I was about to tell y'all that we just came up on some injectors for my engine that I'm currently building out of the dual overhead cam turbo Eclipse, but I guess somebody already beat us to it. I bet you there's some Honda boy out there currently running some turbo Eclipse injectors in his freaking Honda. But yeah, that's pretty cool. Unfortunately, the ZC hood's a little bit damaged. I don't know if Issa did that, but there is an X on it.
No, that was like that. That's why I started stepping on it.
Oh, he was like stepping on it, and then he noticed it was a ZC hood, and then we noticed that this is a dual overhead cam Eclipse, and then we noticed it has a little factory turb ski right there. I know the camera's all fuzzy and stuff. That's not the point though. Looks like she got a snap timing belt. Yeah, it's the Eclipse Spider. So yeah, unfortunately, no injectors for us. But if you guys do come up on a turbo Eclipse, I think that they make a pretty good fuel injector for a turbo Honda. I think it's something like a 400cc or something like that. And, you know, it works. A blue one. Probably no CRV table. This is broken, huh? No, we just got a regular table. Dude, there's like a Walmart table in here. I don't think there's anything that we need out here. Huh? Alright, yeah, we should go. Junkyard's closed. Alright, yeah, the junkyard's totally closed. Let's go.
One, two, three.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Josh. Happy birthday to you. Issa carried us for that one.